Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to twist a text and scroll just like what you see now. So just a little background on how I came up with this idea. I got the inspiration from the Icon magazine's website that features this famous TikToker. So I saw this website when I was browsing the site of the day in awards.com. So this is the section that got my attention and I thought that it's very interesting. So I tried to create something similar using CSS and JavaScript to help the beginners. Please take note that this is just an inspiration and I did not intend to replicate what is exactly here. So much for that. Let me show you again what I have here and let's now start coding. So that's how I created the twist text and scroll. This ends this tutorial. If you have suggestions to improve the code, please do leave a comment below.